Guess you can tell us what you're about to make up.
Alright, so what I'm thinking of doing at the moment is making up a bracket for that to go there, because that was just hanging off the edge. What I'm going to do is use a bit of flat bar and make it sort of fit in there.
Okay.
With a bit of mounting point, so back there, put a mounting point there, and that will mount basically on the back of that. That's what I'm looking to make.
That's going to go, sorry, where is it? Just behind there.
Yeah, so it's literally just going to be enough to screw in there.
Okay.
It's got a nice bit of space here for that, and you can still get to the light bulb.
Okay.
See? Thinking about other stuff. You don't want to be taking out the windscreen washer bottle every time you want to change out a light bulb.
So David has no excuse to change light bulbs.
Yes, can't be driving with no light bulbs.
Yeah.
See, me trusty bandsaw here. I use my trusty bandsaw for cutting. Now, remember to wear protection.
Yeah.
Always wear protection.
So that's like a chop. That can chop, and
yes,
you can use it as a.
You can use it as a horizontal, or you can use it as a vertical. So you could put it in there and cut it. But if you've got smaller pieces, you can put the lock up and just chop it out there as well.
Oh, sweet!
Yeah.
Never seen one of them before.
Oh, you haven't?
No.
Yeah, it's quite handy. Little bit of kit. Right. My trusty welder. If you ever want a welder, I recommend that. Any day.
IGBT.
No, it's an Artec.
Oh.
Yeah. I haven't been sponsored for this, yeah?
Not yet.
It's an honest opinion.
Yeah.
Yes. Honest opinion. One of the best welders I've ever had.
Ooh.
Smoky.
That was definitely sparks.
Yes. We all like sparks, don't we?
Yeah.
I know I certainly do.
So you just tacked it on for now, or?
No, I've actually welded that.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
That was nice and quick.
Yes. So,
Let's have a look at that.
full bit of weld. It's a bit hot.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
So you're just going to grind it down a bit.
Yeah. Only 2 minutes of welding and 15 minutes of grinding. That's the little bracket then. Fit just right there. And that will go on top. Just have to finish dressing the edges on that, and then mount just perfectly there.
It's another job done.
Yeah, pretty fast. All 20 minutes of my grinding, yeah? 15 seconds of welding.
Yeah.
Right, this job's a good one. Just have to sort out the mounting holes for it.
Oh yeah, so you just curved it. Oh,
Yeah.
so you followed the curve as well.
Yeah, I followed the curvature on that one there. It's basically one bolt down the bottom, one bolt around the top. And that bolt will stay there then. It doesn't go anywhere. Jobbed. Another bracket made. Send it all off for painting now.
Oh, you're going to send them off?
I'm not sure what to do with these ones at the moment. If we are going to be powder coating them or just painting them.
Okay.
Yeah. I think once everything's done, I'll do a dry fit for everything.
Okay.
Make sure everything's tickety-boo.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's bad. Let me finish that off if you're going to get a super sharp zoom.
You're doing overtime now.
Yeah. All this overtime now.
Yeah.
Thought I might as well give you a finished product for the bracket now. Seeing as you're here.
Yeah, that's it. So what are you doing now? You're just sticking a hole
Yeah, I'm
in
just
it?
going to make the holes so we can mount it.
How many do you have to do? Just
Now I was just doing a pilot hole there, and then I'm just going to... It's a step drill, so it will open up the hole.
Ooh, how are you going to get that one?
We'll have to get that in the vise and then drill it with a hand drill, unfortunately. Should have drilled it first before welding it.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Wish I had a crystal ball.
Yeah. Oh, you're done?
Yeah, done.
Ah, it took too long.
Job done. That figure there.
How to get it in there?
Couple of more holes for that one there. And that will be on there. Fits perfectly.
All that for a bracket.
Yes. All that grinding, welding, drilling. It's because you gotta love a little bracket.
Yeah. Just two.
Giving my trade secrets away now.
Yeah.
Yeah, replenishing hammers. Yeah, that's what I've been busy with.
Oh, what that?
Yeah. Voila. Look at that. In rust we trust.
That's quite a bit, isn't it?
Yes. It's one thing that you wouldn't expect rust to lie. Well, it does. It always lies. But this is the kind of stuff we do in-house. That's made out of 3 pieces. Just tacked at the moment. And slots in there. Fits like a glove.
What's with the numbers and stuff?
I use them for measurements. 'Cause
Okay.
I use CAD templates, but I step up a little bit. I keep metal templates. So you've got that VW T5 1 to 5, and you just measure it at every gap.
Oh, okay.
So that gives me my measurement there. It gives me my measurement there. Gives me my measurement there.
Cool.
Slightly off. So I basically use that one, and I've got 10 to 20. And
Oh,
I
I
use that. Yeah, so I'll start at 10 there and kind of take my measurements along the line.
Oh, wow.
And
There's a lot of back and forward.
yeah, there is a lot, because as you can tell, there's rust there, and there's no other way of copying a panel. So that then gives me a reference point, and I can measure it. This needs to finish off a little bit. I've got a bit of planishing to do on that one, and then we'll get the desired result on that as soon as that's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers, Gob.
Cheers. Thank you. See you again.